Hi, I'm Pasu. Today I'm going to do a facial makeup tutorial from Genshin Impact. If you want to know how I did this look and how you can achieve that too, just keep on watching. Okay, so now that we have our base face and we look like an egg, we're going to start by doing the eye. So Fischl has in her costume a lot of purples and a lot of pinks and also black. So I want to capture that with all the makeup that I got. So mainly the palette I used to work with is the whatever palette from Colourpop. It's not sponsored by, but if you want to sponsor me, Colourpop, I'm not the one to say. I will be using this one, the bad guy one, and also this one, the Diginu, because I think they're the ones that are like the most goth. I'm just applying it and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to grab the Mr. Brightside one and I'm going to apply it here to give it a little bit of depth. And also with the remaining that is on the brush, I'm going to blend it a little bit here so it looks like I have like my crease is up there, so it looks like I have bigger eyes. Now with my finger I'm going to apply the tardy one, it's the shiniest one here. Sometimes if you feel like it's not that shiny, you just have to keep on applying it. And I prefer with the fingers because it's, I don't know, it looks better. Now I'm going to put a little bit of white on the outside of my eye to make it droopy. Fischl has very droopy eyes, so I like to make them bigger and droopier because no one has that kind of eyes in real life. And I'm going to reapply the purples that we have done here, but down there to keep it a little bit goth. You can also drag it underneath here so it looks like, again, a more goth, emo, whatever look. We're going to do the most difficult part with this, which is the eyeliner. I like to use these kinds of eyeliner with a brush because I think that I have like more control over the lines. So we're going to do a droopy eye. So it's like it goes around here. And we're going to start from here and end here, so it looks like it's like melting. We're also going to use this thing for our eyelashes. Be careful with this one because I once pinched my eyelid and it's not really fun. And we're going to finish it all by doing the lips. So I have very thin lips, and with all the makeup that I have over my lips it looks even thinner. So I'm going to do like a kind of contour with the blush that I have used in the apples of my face. Also, I'm going to use purple lipstick because I feel like it suits her better. Most people use black, so just use whatever you feel like it suits her best and suits you best. And blend it with your finger like upwards. I'm going to use Lizzie McGuire what's this called? Gloss. So it doesn't look like my lips are too dry. And now I'm just going to put on the wig and the accessories, and I'll see you there. So here's the finished look. I really hope you like it. Also, as a bit of a disclaimer, this is just the way I do my makeup. You can change whatever you like because not everyone has the same features, the same skills, the same money, all of that. Just keep that on your head. And if you have any suggestions, questions, or whatever, you can also type it in the comments, whatever you like. And you can follow me on my TikTok, which is Sucrose, and also my Instagram is the same. I will put there in my description and everything like that. And if you enjoy it, you can also subscribe, whatever. I'll try to make more videos, more Genshin videos, all of that. So thank you for watching. If you stay the whole video, thank you. I love you. Bye. Bye bye.